Welcome back to Green Earth VN. Today, we redive into a mind-blowing journey. 10 revolutionary inventions that could help humanity recycle nearly 100% of its waste. From machines that turn trash into clean fuel, to nanobots that eat to AI systems that sort garbage better than humans, the future of recycling is far more incredible than you think. Let's explore the innovations that might finally end the waste crisis. Our journey begins with number 1. Plasma gasification reactors. Imagine a machine that can turn any kind of waste, whether it's plastic, metal, medical waste, or even the most toxic chemicals, into clean synthetic gas using plasma arcs that burn hotter than the surface of the sun. At 10,000 degrees Celsius, this is the incredible power of plasma gasification. This technology doesn't just recycle, it completely transforms non-recyclable waste into a valuable resource which can be used to generate electricity or produce fuels. One of its most remarkable features is that it produces virtually zero ash, meaning no more need for overflowing landfills. The only byproduct is a hard, glass-like substance called slag, which is so inert and durable that it can be safely used in construction for roads and buildings. This isn't science fiction. Advanced versions of these reactors are already being tested and operated in countries like Japan and the United States, proving their viability on a large scale. The potential impact is staggering. If widely adopted, plasma gasification could eliminate an estimated 80 to 90% of the world's total solid waste, turning our biggest pollution problem into a powerful energy solution. Coming in at number 2 are AI-powered smart sorting robots. One of the biggest bottlenecks in the entire recycling industry is contamination. When we throw the wrong item into the recycling bin, it can contaminate an entire batch, often leading to everything being sent to a landfill. But new, advanced AI robots are here to change the game. Using sophisticated computer vision and machine learning algorithms, these robots can sort waste at a truly breathtaking speed, making up to 6,000 picks per hour with pinpoint accuracy. They can instantly identify different types of plastic, such as PET from water bottles, HDPE from milk jugs, and PP from food containers. Beyond plastics, they can automatically separate valuable metals, different colors of glass, and even organic waste, ensuring that each material stream is pure. These robotic sorters can work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, achieving an incredible 98% accuracy rate that far surpasses human capabilities. The impact of this technology is transformative, as it drastically increases the efficiency and purity of recycling streams, making the entire process more economically viable and effective. Next, at number 3, we have ocean garbage-to-fuel converters. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch and other ocean juniors are tragic symbols of our plastic crisis. But what if the ships sent to clean them could be powered by the very trash they collect? A groundbreaking invention now makes this possible. This technology allows specialized vessels to collect vast amounts of plastic debris directly from the ocean and convert it into usable fuel right there on board, using a process called pyrolysis. This chemical reaction breaks down the long polymer chains in ocean plastic, transforming them into a clean-burning marine diesel. This fuel is then used to power the very same ship that is collecting the trash, creating a self-sustaining, circular system. This innovation isn't just about cleaning up. It's about creating a perpetual motion machine for ocean restoration. If deployed at scale, these converter ships could potentially remove millions of tons of plastic pollution from our oceans each year, turning a devastating environmental problem into a source of energy for its own solution. At number 4, we explore the microscopic world with enzyme-based plastic eaters. For decades, we've believed that plastic takes centuries to decompose. But what if it could be broken down in a matter of hours? Scientists have made a monumental discovery: enzymes, like potassium, its more efficient cousins, that can literally eat plastic. These natural catalysts work their magic at room temperature, which means the process is incredibly energy efficient. They specifically target common plastics like PET, breaking them down into their original chemical building blocks, or these monomers can then be used to create brand new, virgin-quality plastic bottles. Achieving what experts call infinite recycling, this creates a 100% circular system where a plastic bottle can be endlessly broken down and remade without any loss of quality. The impact is profound. This biological breakthrough could spell the end of single-use plastic waste, turning our disposable packaging into a permanently renewable resource. Holding the fifth spot are microfactories that turn waste into new materials. Imagine a future where every neighborhood or small town has its own compact, self-contained recycling plant. That's the vision behind the microfactories developed by Australian scientists. These modular, innovative units are capable of taking a complex mix of waste including glass, plastics, textiles, and even discarded electronic sand, transforming it into valuable new products. The waste is processed on-site to create high-value items, like 3D printing filament for manufacturing, stylish tiles for construction, and even premium metal alloys. A key advantage is their size and efficiency. They can be set up right beside cities or even within industrial parks, requiring minimal power to operate. This completely eliminates the massive carbon footprints associated with transporting waste to distant, centralized facilities. The ultimate impact is the democratization of recycling. Every city, every community could manage its own waste stream locally, turning trash into treasure right where it's generated. At number 6, we delve into the invisible world with nanobots that eat One of the most insidious forms of pollution is microplastics, tiny particles that have infiltrated our water, our food, and even our bodies. A groundbreaking invention offers a new line of defense. Magnetic nano. These microscopic robots are designed to swim through water, actively capturing and breaking down microplastic pollutants. What's truly remarkable is that they are powered by sunlight, making them an eco-friendly and self-sustaining solution. Once their job is done, they can be retrieved from the water using magnets and reused thousands of times. These nanobots could be deployed in rivers, lakes, and oceans to systematically clean our water systems at a microscopic level. The potential impact is immense, as this technology offers a tangible solution to one of the most dangerous and pervasive invisible pollutants threatening our planet's health and our own. Number 7 on our list is high-efficiency biogas. Did you know that organic waste like food scraps, farm waste, and sewage makes up nearly half of all global trash? When this waste rots in landfills, it releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas. But new, advanced biogas digesters can turn this problem into a powerful solution. These systems can convert organic matter into clean methane energy with an astonishing 85% efficiency. The process works for a wide range of organic inputs, making it incredibly versatile. Not only does it produce renewable natural gas, but the leftover material is a nutrient-rich fertilizer that can be used to grow more food, closing the agricultural loop. This technology is so effective that it can power entire communities, turning their organic waste stream into a reliable source of local energy. The impact is a perfect circle. Zero organic waste is sent to landfills, and we get a 100% energy and nutrient return. Coming in at number 8, we have circular economy waste tracking chips. In our current system, once a product leaves a store, it often disappears into a black hole of waste. But a new system promises to change that by embedding tiny RFID or similar tracking chips directly into product packaging. This allows the entire journey of a product to be tracked, from the factory to the store, into your home, and all the way to the recycling plant. This data stream prevents the loss of valuable materials by ensuring they are routed to the correct facilities. It also helps waste management companies automate and optimize their collection routes, saving fuel and time. Furthermore, governments can use this real-time data to accurately measure waste generation and recycling rates, allowing them to create smarter, more effective environmental policies. In this system, waste becomes data in the 21st century. Data is gold. This creates an unparalleled level of transparency and accountability in our consumption cycle. At number 9, we envision the cities of tomorrow with 3D printed recycling ecosystems. What if our cities could literally be built from our trash? In the near future, giant 3D printers may roam our urban landscapes, consuming mixed plastic waste and transforming it into useful infrastructure using a low-energy extrusion process. These printers can melt down unsorted plastic trash and turn it into public benches, durable road barriers, custom furniture, and even emergency housing structures. One of the biggest advantages is that this technology doesn't require perfectly sorted plastic. It can handle a mix of different types, making the recycling process far simpler and more robust. This innovation fundamentally redefines our relationship with waste, turning urban trash from a liability into a primary building material. The impact is a city that recycles itself, constantly renewing and improving its infrastructure by consuming its own waste. Finally, at number 10, we have the ultimate solution: molecular recycling machines. This is the true future of recycling, a process that breaks objects down to their very atoms and molecules using advanced heat, solvent, or catalyst-based techniques. From there, these fundamental building blocks can be reassembled into brand new, pristine materials. This technology promises a near 100% recovery rate for complex materials like plastic polymers, ensuring nothing is lost. Unlike traditional recycling, which often degrades material quality over time, molecular recycling works endlessly without degradation. This allows for truly infinite recycling loops, where a product can be unmade and remade forever. The impact of this technology is the holy grail of sustainability, a world that moves to a true zero-waste manufacturing system, where the concept of waste itself becomes obsolete. These 10 inventions prove one thing: a world without waste is not a dream, it is a choice we can make. But technology alone can't save the planet. It is up to us to support these emerging recycling systems, to consciously reduce our consumption, and to choose sustainable products in our daily lives. If you know any other invention or a future idea that could help solve the global waste crisis, we want to hear from you. Please share it in the comments below so we can explore it together and share it with everyone. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Green Earth VN for more future-focused environmental content. Thank you for watching.